Hello, and let's switch to the report conversions here. This is a workspace that can be called conversion log, basically. A log of leads, sales, deposits, registrations, conversion cancellations, trash, and so on. All of kind of conversions. This is where all the conversion records are collected for all your campaigns and offers in Keitaro. All the parameters of conversions are displayed here, such as conversion status, such as conversion time, such as revenue, such as original status which you are receiving, such as additional subs here if they are relevant in your post back, as well technical information by click, user agent, IP address, headers of requests such as referrer, x requested with, and a lot of them. I mean, it also displays data from the clicks report, which you may add or remove by adding or removing checkboxes here. So I mean, you may just add click ID, a lot more sub IDs, city, language, device type, country, and a lot of click parameters, which we discussed in the previous video. Similar with any space in the tracker, which we previously discussed, you can filter the content here by button filter and add any relevant for your request filter. For example, let it be OS version, or by offer, you want to check conversions by a particular offer, or by, for example, operation system equals Android maybe. There are no conversions from Android. Let's check maybe from Windows. Okay, there are few of them. I think you got the point. Also, you may choose time period for sure here, for today, for custom date range, and any available here period. And as I already said, you may add or remove conversion characteristics. We have discussed report conversions right now and report clicks earlier. They're useful for sure on their own way, but next I will show you custom reports, create reports here. This is a workspace where you can filter and group data by any criterion which is available in the tracker. Here the feature of grouping, and here a feature of filtering. And it's useful and allows you to look at your data for more inconveniential angle and gain insights into future activities. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.